What's up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video I'm going to talk about the Lenovo ideapad Slim 5i. Should you buy that laptop or not? Is it actually worth buying or not? So let's get started. And you know what, a lot of you guys were actually saying that that laptop is not very well built. And I'm gonna just clear this misconception out of the way that no, that's wrong. Like I have been using that laptop since more than 6 months now. I bought it in January 2021. It's more than 6 months and I can confidently say you that that laptop is one of the most well-built laptop I have ever seen in my life. A lot of these gaming laptops, so-called gaming laptops from Acer, Aspire and from other brands are normally not made out of metal or aluminium. But this one by Lenovo is made out of aluminium. This is a pure all metal body which is obviously aluminium, and you know what, it's one of the most sturdiest laptop. The display is also very sturdy, and on top of sturdy, it's not only sturdy, it's also very thin. So yeah, it looks very modern, and the overall laptop is also very thin, which looks really modern, and I just love it. I just love how thin it is, how easy it is to carry from one place to another. That's really awesome. So let's just talk about the performance itself. Now, many people buy laptop not based on their looks, they buy based on their performance. Yeah, in terms of performance, that is a really good laptop. And you know why I'm saying that? I have the variant which has i5 11th gen. It is damn awesome. Like I have played a lot of games, I have done a lot of browsing in that laptop, and it just basically never hangs, never lags. Like I have never ever faced any any lag problem in that laptop. So that's like a word to mark. Like it's very nice. Now let's talk about the storage itself. Like on top of that amazing performance, it not only offers that performance, but it also has an incredibly fast storage, that is NVMe M.2. Now for those of you guys who are basically not sure about what this technical term is, it's basically saying you have got the latest storage, and you know what, it's no joke, it's damn fast. Like you guys can see that PC right there. That PC takes up 25 seconds to start, and that laptop, the laptop of Lenovo, takes up less than 20 seconds to start. That's a minor difference, right? Just 5 seconds. No, that's not, because when you use the laptop overall, when you open Chrome, when you play games, when you open a game that is installed in the SSD, obviously conditions applied, so that game is basically going to open super duper fast. It's going to feel like that's just speed of light, like flash, boom. So in terms of that, in terms of the storage, it's really awesome. No problems, no complaints at all. Now let's move on towards the display. Okay, now a lot of you guys were actually saying that the display is not that good. The quality is just a little bit yellowish, and I can actually accept that fact a little bit. So now, as you all know, I normally use smartphones like these, like the Poco X3 Pro, which is running Pixel Experience. And you know what, this obviously doesn't have one of the best displays, and look at that, I'm already using a yellow type of theme. Doesn't mean that I don't know what the true colors are. What it means is I personally prefer warm displays over cooler displays. That's just my personal opinion. I don't impose anyone to accept it. Like, yeah, it's just my personal opinion, but yes, I prefer it. I love displays which are warm compared to those which are cold, because just warm displays are more pleasing to the eye. That's what I think. So yeah, in terms of me, in terms of the display, yes, it is a little warm out of the box, and there's no way to change it to make it a little cooler. But unless you are just going to do some real photo editing where you actually need to look at the true colors, then other than that, you won't be having any problem. Like if you're not going to produce a movie, you don't need it, because watching a movie is really awesome in that. And you know what makes up the experience even better? Speakers are great. Like it has stereo speakers, and oh my god, that's really awesome. The sound quality is not only loud, it's actually richer. And by that I mean there are speakers which sound teeny, like which just sound loud. They have no bass at all, they have no treble at all, they're just loud. So I don't like those speakers. And yes, luckily the Lenovo ideapad Slim 5i doesn't have those speakers. This speaker not only sounds good, it sounds crazy good. Like it's really damn awesome. So in terms of that, yeah, I love it. So what is the overall conclusion? And yeah, I can't give you a conclusion without the battery life, because hey, why do I need that much good stuff when it can't run a whole day? But you know what? It will actually run a whole day. It will run more than a whole day, because I have used this laptop extensively since 6 months, more than 6 months. I have played games, I have done whatnot. Like I've even played, GTA 5 in one of the highest graphic. I just turned up everything to very high and then the game crashed. Like video editing 4K at 60 FPS. That's not one of the most hard tasks, but it is a hard task. And to be honest, the battery life is next level. It's incredibly next level. I'm actually out of words right now, but yeah, the battery life is really awesome. You know, you won't get to know how good the battery life is unless and until you try it, but I have tried it and I can tell you it's damn awesome. Like, it lasted my brother's full day of office, and you know what he does in the office, he actually has to do all the work from the laptop. He charged it to 100%, and when he came back from 9 to 5 job, you know what happened? The battery life was still 20% left. That's a claim to make. Like, boom, that's awesome. That's one of the best battery lives you can get in a laptop, according to me. I have not tried any laptop which has a better battery backup than this one. So yeah, that sums up this full review. I love it. That's one of the best laptops you can buy. The Lenovo ideapad Slim 5i is still really awesome. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.